Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, people, more freebies, yes, more freebies. All right, you all, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out. That's free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. Now this one here is by a developer. We've seen his work before. He goes by the name of Wu Jin Wang. This guy gets down. This one here is a free analog watch face by this developer, and he did a good job on this one. Considering that it's free, it is not bad. Now the name of the watch face is called AI Watch Hybrid 01. Now it has a pinkish look to it, and the always on mode is going to be dimmed down in a black theme mode, which doesn't look bad. Now if you look at the top right over here, you are going to get your battery percentage, your step status info right here, the date, couple of unique hands. Also, you got a unique second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. The name of the developer. Not bad at all, right? Now, you really don't get no interaction with it, but if you tap right here, you will be able to get your recent. So if you need to go into it or you just simply want to erase it, you can. You do get a traditional look so far as the number is concerned, but not a bad look considering that the watch face is free. What do you think? All right, you all don't go nowhere because we got another one for you all to check out. Watch face number 2. Now this one is nice, basic, simple, but straight to the point. This one is called CP Digital 2. It's not a bad look. It's an analog watch face. Remember, we're trying to get you ready for the work week and the Monday grind, right? Now, in the AOD mode, it's going to look just like the watch face for the most part when it's on. But when it's on, what I really like about the watch face, which kind of screams a little premium, maybe a little elegance, is the arms on this watch. It looks really nice considering that this is your basic traditional looking watch face. Now you do get a smooth second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, and you know what that screams, right? And you get a few dials. Now to the right, where you will get your left, you will get your battery percentage. To the right, you will get your step status info. Today is Sunday, I haven't been anywhere. And down at the bottom, you will get your date and your date in that dial. So it's not a bad look for a freebie and an analog watch face. And you do have a couple more colors that you can customize this to, kind of brighten the watch face up a little bit. Now the video isn't going to do it justice, but let me dim this down so you can kind of have a look just a little bit better. That's a little bit better, right? Okay, and then you double tap again and then it turns it blue. So again, for free, this is not bad. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you're going to download these freebies or pass. All right, you all, I know you got to be getting ready for the Monday grind. If you're not, you need to drop everything and start setting up. All right, I'll see you all at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.